In this short X10 tutorial video, we will be looking at the type of windows in X10, how to float and create new windows, and how to change the layout of the screen. The main screen contains the component trees to select components into the main display window, the main display window which shows the data of the selected component. Some components have multiple display windows. The property tabs or property pages which shows the properties of the shown component grouped by categories. The system status windows which show information about the status of the system and selected components. And the main menu and toolbar. You can maximize the size of the display window by hiding the status windows, which you often do not need in a normal run of the program. By minimizing the property tabs, by double-clicking any tab, or right-click the window and select Minimize. Click any tab to maximize again. By hiding the component trees. Or all in one by using the Maximize button. Note that this will not minimize the property tabs. Click the Maximize button again to reset the main screen to its previous state. Often you want to show a window on another monitor, to for example compare graphs with other graphs, or graphs with 3D. To float a 3D window, click on it, then right-click its main tab and select Float from the menu. Then move and resize it into the required position. Once a window is floated, you can redock it in the main screen by right-clicking the Component tab and select Redock in Main Form. If you have mistakenly deleted a 3D window, then reopen from the new menu. To open a component like a graph in its own window, you have two options. Click the Float Component button to float it in a new window. Or from the Components menu, select Component and then one of the three available windowing options. After selecting, for example, Show in New Window, a new tab will appear in the main screen. From there you can close the window or float it. There is no restriction as to how many windows you can float. That leaves us with the View menu where you can hide or show some windows, in particular individual component trees. This concludes the tutorial on X10 Windowing Basics. We hope it has been helpful. Thanks very much for your attention and your interest in X10 products.